All right, so this is one website. I use heaps actually to get lots and lots of different things for online marketing, whether that's websites, whether it's videos, whether it's stock footage for videos or stock images, logos, stock logos, computer code if I want to do some sexy shit on a website. I get heaps and heaps of my stuff from graphicriver.net, including stock footage. So that's one place you can get stock footage from for your particular products, okay? So that's one super cool place to do that. I have not personally used Shutterstock, but I know that the people, well, I'll show you who does my images for me. Go maybe. Oops. .com.au. Oh, here it is. So Sue Josephson at GoMibby does all my images for me, and I believe that Sue, for some of the lifestyle images, will use places like Shutterstock and places like that. So stock image places to do that. She will do places like that, all right? And her stuff's friggin' awesome. I love this. They're currently doing a product for me right now. So there's those guys, and then also let's just go over to files. So if you come to the members area, go to files and then go to recommended suppliers, this one right here, recommended suppliers. Very useful document. If you click on that, you can see these people here, GoMibby and Craig's company as well, are the companies that we in the Aussie online entrepreneurs use the most, because that's given us the best results. So heaps of people have used Craig and had some great results with that. Heaps of people use Sue, myself included, and have some great results with that. So you can get them done there. And they will take care of all that for you, including getting lifestyle images done as well, so which is very cool to get done. That's who I use. If you don't know what lifestyle image is, well, you could see in there, but let's see if there's any I can see. Probably not. No. And I think for me, your images are. Oh, that's a what lifestyle image there with that geezer in it, with that guy in it, or hopefully you can see that with that couple in it. It's got people in it. It's got models in it in a lifestyle pose, for instance. Let's just have a quick look. Yeah, so that one there, for instance, that's all lifestyle related images. Very good. They sell really well. So, and I will also say as well that your images have to be good. They have to be good. For private labeling, you cannot skimp on your images. You've got to get a good job of your images done, because as far as Amazon's real estate is concerned, let's just go back to Amazon. If we search for Bluetooth suitcase turntable speakers, let's just do turntable. Search on Amazon. Any search, you can see that the image gets such a big portion of the available real estate. It's clear that Amazon knows that images really matter. So it matters to Amazon. It should definitely matter to you as well. And so I suggest you don't skimp on your images. You get them done properly. Get them done professionally. For private label, absolutely. For wholesale, it's different. When you're just starting with wholesale, you can do your images yourself if you know what you're doing with your iPhone, and they're not as important. Well, they are, but they're not as important initially. But as soon as you know it's working, you've got to get your images done. And I would never ever use the manufacturer's images. That is bad, because they do not know which consumers buy their product. They don't know that. They only sell to people like you and me. They don't sell to the consumers. So they've got no idea who buys their images. They don't know the customer avatar. They know shit all about the product, other than how to sell it to another business as a B2B transaction. Hope that makes sense. Ooh, thank you, Kate. So Kate has very, very kindly put this in. Oh yes, very well done, Kate. I'd completely forgotten about that. So if you come over here into the members area and search here for stock images, then you'll get loads of people. There you go, Kate included. What tell you how to find stock images. Okay, so you could do that too. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales I've used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.